Little Pocket chainsaw is it's a great little product. Instead of carting a big chainsaw around or anything like that, you got a little pouch, bi-directional chain blades, so each stroke it'll cut with a cutting link on each section. Fits in your back pocket, fits in your recovery kit. It's just a simple little thing to have around with you if, for instances like this where you need to move a low-hanging branch, or in this case a little sapling. When using this, it's very important that you do put leather gloves on. Those blades are quite sharp. And on every stroke of the arm, it creates a cut. That's it, that's all there is to it. Such a small little device, easy to fit, lightweight, and carried anywhere.